Alay sami, yan nabilay, at sayan mundo. Lalo lano, kaibam so inarot bilay mo. Tanalik nam, sulikat di tanad, pagaw mo. Alingwan mo, ayan amit, walay ang gaanto. Natan mula, naliliknay, kaermenan mo. Tadiman mo, nanunutan, sukatawan. Sa ito, yalupag, maganon, nalingwan sa Diyos, iyasi katoy, aminan lapuan. Alingwan mo, ayan amit, walay ang gaanto. Natan mula, naliliknay, kaermenan mo. Tadiman mo, nanunutan, sukatawan. Nalingwan sa Diyos, iyasi katoy, aminan lapuan. Sa Diyos, iyasi katoy, aminan lapuan. Magano, data kayo sa kaya makabagbag damdamin. Original song po namin ni Kuya Bong Tongson. Agko kaukulan pangga. Mas maunglay, manbilay na simple maminsan. Ang kapuso unimbel nalik na manderang ni ulupan, mas maunglay. Wad man taet arawi numaminsan. Ang kapuso tutuon magkalasya. Mangisabal na aruan, manat mundo, nusikay na ang kapo. Ako kaukulay, nadayo na to. Nunaan di lamlamang, tanabalang inaaro. Sa ipatangday panangaro. Mas gusto klay andilan mangibas ngaw naliknaan. Tapyanag talama kapan barungan mangiterni sakitan. Mas gusto play ang gapoy ben-ben-benan kuya kwarta. Magayagan ni isip ang di problema. Nasangag na kulkulanta. Ako kaukulan, suyaman at mundo. Nusikay na ang gapo. Ako kaukulay, nadayaw na to. Nunaan di lamlamang, tanabalang inaaro. Supatangday panangarong lapod sika labat subilay ko. Ang gapoy arom yakaukulan. Noon barong ka at kaarmanan ko. Agmag pa ikakaindan. Ako kaukulan, suyaman at mundo. Nusikay na ang gapo. Ako kaukulay, nadayo na to. Nunaan di lamlaman. Ako kaukulan, suyaman at mundo. Nunaan di lamlaman. Ako kaukulay, nadayaw na to. Nunaan di lamlamang, tanabalang inaaro. Supatangday panangaro. Say patangday panangaro. Parat sa rin nanay, maaron ina. Thank you, Kuya AJ. Sa -1 ko. Nanay, parat si kayo ya. Nanlapot inglisa. Nakalakal ko. Ang tabayin mo't adinoras-oras, wala ka diking ko. Bangatlan ang sakit. Pupuyakan mo, dyan pa nangarong. Agkagwalan mo agmagla igaton. Oy na, yabaarod bilay ko. Sikalawa sukailiw ko. Ang pupuwanwag at sandwam dakulap, duwalay sakit ko. Mo no walay bangatlan kairapan ko umaaron ina. Kuya AJ, hindi natin na-transpose. Ang taas. Anyway, Tita Pearl and Uncle Pegto, ayalamay kansyon da. Original song ni Uncle Pegto and Auntie Perlita Radam Tamayo, Pawil Kalakari. Para si kayo, Tita Pearl. Salamat at Sara Ryan kansyon. Pawil kalakari, inaron pinabli. Nusikay na andi, arman ko'y mansasbi. Pawil kalakari, suldong na bilay ko. Imanong pakumoy taglay ko. Jadlapin maarman sikay ka tuyaw ko. Kugugi pentaka masyado'y likat ko. Taag ni ang man susayan liknaan. Tasika lambengat supanli ketan. Pawil kalakari, inaron pinabli. Nusikay na andi, urman ko'y mansasbi. Pawil kalakari, suldong na dilay ko. Imanong pakumoy taglay ko. Kumon at ako nayariyan sa intermulikat at ako nitalirak. Taang kapoy arom yanapi regan ko. Noag si kalaba saya kupmuat. Pawil kalakari, kalmoy ingungo. no agtaka na linggis sakitan to'y puso pawil kalakari suldong na dilay ko sikay makasengeg duknal na aro pawil kalakari suldong na dilay ko no agtaka na linggis sakitan to'y puso pawil kalakari suldong na dilay ko sikay makasingad duknal na aro
By Carpenters. I energy you.
The hardest part I've ever done is keep believing there's someone in this crazy world for me. The way that people come and go through temporary lives, a chance could have come and I might never know. I used to say no promises, let's keep it simple. But freedom only helps you say goodbye. It took a while for me to learn that nothing comes for free. The price I've paid is high enough for me. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a quite imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I'll find. So here I am with pockets full of good intentions, but none of them will comfort me tonight. I'm wide awake at 4 a.m. without a friend in sight, hanging on a hope that I'm all right. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know of a quite imperfect world, and fool enough to think that's what I'll find. I know I need to be in love. I know I've wasted too much time. I know I ask perfection of a world, and fool enough to think that's what I'll find.
Try ko nga tong kantahin.
Para sa sarili ko, pagsubok. Kinantahan ang sarili. Isip mo'y litong-lito sa mga panahong nais mong maliw. Bakit ba bumabalakid ay ang iyong mundo ginagalawan? Ang buhay ay sadyang ganyan, suliranin di mapigilan. Itanim mo lang sa iyong puso, kaya mo yan. Pagkabigo at alinlangang gumugulo sa isipan, mga pagsubok lamang yan. Huwag mong itigil ang laban, huwag mong isuko at iyong labanan. Ikaw lamang ang may madilim na kapalaran. Ika'y hindi tatalikuran ng ating Ama na siyang lumikha. Hindi lang ikaw ang nagdurusa at hindi lang ikaw ang lumuluha. Pasakit mo'y may katapusan, kaya mo yan. Pagkabigo at alinlangang gumugulo sa isipan, mga pagsubok lamang yan. Huwag mong itigil ang laban, huwag mong isuko at iyong labanan. Alinlangang gumugulo sa isipan, mga pagsubok lamang yan. Huwag mong itigil ang laban, huwag mong isuko at iyong labanan. Alinlangang gumugulo sa isipan, mga pagsubok lamang yan. Huwag mong itigil ang laban, huwag mong isuko at iyong labanan. Huwag mong isuko at iyong labanan. Yung request pa kagabi, ato na. Huwag kayong lumuha. Luha pangga. Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim. Ninais kong mapalapit sa'yo, ninais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko'y baliwala lang sa'yo. Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal. Ngunit at ako pala'y naging isang hangad, naghahanap ng isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo ng kahit nasa luhay, pagbabayaran mo. Tignan mo ang katotohanan na tayo'y pare-pareho lamang. May damdaming di nasasaktan, ang puso mo'y nasaan. aking isang hangad, naghahangad ng isang katulad mo. Di ko na kailangan umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na. At ito ang iyong tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo kahit nasa luhay, magpapayaran mo. Ayaw ko nang mangarap, ayaw ko nang tumingin, ayaw ko nang manalamin. Nasasaktan ang damdamin. Ayaw ko nang mangarap, ayaw ko nang tumingin, ayaw ko nang manalamin. Nasasaktan ang damdamin. Kung kulong ang buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, bakit ngayon'y nasa ilalim pa rin? Kung kulong ang buhay, patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot. Noon ako'y nasa ilalim, sana bukas nasa ibabaw naman. May bulong, dinggin mo, ihip ng ating panahon. May sigaw, dinggin mo, at ubos na ang oras mo. Oras na magpasya kung saan ka pupunta. Oras na, oras na mag-iba ka ng landas. Tayo na sa liwanag. Ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Tama na ang pag-aalinlangan. Ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Kung taay di tiyak at ang ulo'y laging ligaw, damhin mo ang landas ng puso mo. Tayo na sa liwanag. Ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Tama na ang pag-aalinlangan. Ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Dinggin mo, damhin mo ang landas ng puso mo. Oras na, oras na magbuo ka ng pasya. Tayo na sa liwanag. Ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Tama na ang pag-aalinlangan. Ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Ang takot ay nasa isip lamang. Crying time. Oh, it's crying time again. Are you gonna leave me? Ayo ako. I can't see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now they say that absence makes the heart grows fonder, and the tears are only rain to make love grow. As the tears are all never grow no stronger. If I live to be 100 years old. Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Now you say you found someone that you have loved better. That's the way it happened every time before. As sure as the sun comes up tomorrow, crying time will you store out the door. Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. Eto na, release me. Please release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. To live a life would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. I have found a new love, dear, and I will always want her near. Her lips are warm where yours are cold. darling, let me go. Release me, my darling, let me go. Please release me, let me go. For I don't love you. Let me go. Let me go. Naalala ko din si Father John Palinar. Ito para pa rin sa mga tatay naman, for the good times. Don't look so sad. I know it's over, but life goes on, and this whole world will keep on turning. Let's just be glad we had some time to spend together. There's no need to watch the bridges that were burning. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft across the window, and make believe you love me one more time. For the good times, I'll get along. You'll find another, and I'll be here if you should find you ever need me. Don't say a word about tomorrow or forever. There'll be time enough for sadness when you leave me. Lay your head upon my pillow. Hold your warm and tender body close to mine. Hear the whisper of the raindrops blowing soft across the good times. Green, green grass of home, the old hometown. The old hometown looks the same as I step down from the train. And there's a meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they're all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. The old house still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green, green grass of home. Then I wake and look around me at four gray walls that surround me, and I realize, yes, I was only dreaming. For there's a guard and there's an old sad pattern, and I will walk the daybreak again. I'll touch the green, green grass of home. Yes, they're all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay neath the green, green grass of home. Dahil sa'yo, nako, manlikat lang si nanay tatay mga ganitong music nila, di ba? Lucky Biting, Lucky Doming, Nanay Auring Binluan. Dahil sa'yo ako'y nabuhay. Dahil sa'yo hanggang mamatay, dapat mong tanungin, wala nang ibang giliw. Puso ko'y tanungin, ikaw at ikaw rin. Dahil sa'yo ako'y lumigaya, pagmamahal ay alayan ka. Kung tunay man ako ay alipin dahil sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo, nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo, hanggang mamatay. Kung tunay man ito, alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo, nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo, hanggang mamatay. Dapat mong tantuin, wala nang ibang giliw. Puso ko'y tanungin, ikaw at ikaw rin. Dahil sa'yo, ako'y lumigaya. Pagmamahal ay alayan ka. Kung tunay man ito, ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo. Ay, energy you. And I said, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, Pampagood Pipes, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Yeah. 25 years of my life and still I'm trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up for this brotherhood of men, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high. And I scream from top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Ooh, 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 and I tried. Oh my God, do I try? I try all the time in this institution, and I pray. Oh my God, do I pray? I pray every single day for revolutions, and so I cry sometimes when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from top of my lungs, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, what's going on? Ooh, 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 ayan, sayawan na. The sign. I get a new life. You would hardly recognize me. I'm so glad. How can a person like me care for you? Why do I bother when you're not the one for me? Ooh, it's enough, enough. I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. Life is demanding without understanding. I saw the sign and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. No one's gonna drag you up to get into the light where you belong. Where back do you belong? Under the pale moon, for so many years I've wondered who you are. How could a person like you bring me joy? Under the pale moon, where I see a lot of stars. Ooh, it's enough, enough. I saw the sign, and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. Life is demanding without understanding. I saw the sign, and it opened up my eyes. I saw the sign. No one's gonna drag you up to get into the light where you belong. Where back do you belong? beside you, wishing you'd always be close to me. And how can I tell you, every night I see you in my dreams. Believe me, I would never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasies? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come. What will be joined together close as one. Together close as one. I feel the passion burning deep inside my soul, and you're the solution. I know you catch me if I fall. Believe me, I would never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasies? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come. What will be joy together close as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Believe me, I would never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasies? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come. What will be joy together close as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Ooh, all together as one. Jing, Mara, sayaw na kayo. Lenny, sayaw na kayo, Ashley, Berna, Marcelo. Kung nandito lang kayo, magsasayawan tayo. Tiroma. Showing my pain with these fingers, singing my life with these words, killing me softly with this song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I heard he sang a good song, I heard he had a style, and so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. I felt a flash with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt he found my letters and read each each one out loud. I prayed that he would finish, but he just keep right on, charming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. He sang as if he knew me in all my dark despair, and then he looked right through me as if I wasn't there. But there he was, this stranger, singing clear and strong, strong my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. With his song, strumming my pain. Yes, he was singing my life, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Isa pa, para hindi kayo mabitin. Here's a song by ABBA. Thank you, Noel Manyawat. Placido Salvador, hi, thank you. Half past 12 and I'm watching the late show on my side, all alone. How I hate to spend the evening on my own. Autumn winds blowing outside the rainbow as I look around the room, and it makes me so depressed. I see the gloom. There's not a soul out there, no one to hear my prayer. Give me a minute after midnight. Won't somebody help me chase the shadows away? And give me a minute after midnight. Take me through the darkness to the break of the day. It's a difference in the world I'm living in. Turn on TV, I open the window as I gaze into the night, but there's nothing there to see, no one inside. There's not a soul out there, no one to hear my prayer. Give me a minute after midnight. away. Give me a man after midnight. Take me through the darkness to the break of the day. Give me a man after midnight. Give me a man after midnight. There's not a soul out there, no one to hear my prayer. Give me a man after midnight. Won't somebody help me chase the shadows away? Give me a man after midnight. Take me through the darkness to the break of the day. Give me a man after midnight. Give me a man after midnight. Ayan pa nga, wag po kayong aalis ha. Magbabalik po ang Harana Dagupan. Dito lamang sa masasabit na istasyon ng 90.3 Energy FM. Huwag niyo pong iiwan ang inyong Harana Queen dahil magbabalik pa po ako. Thank you! Sumasaya ako dahil sa inyo. May Abalos, hi! Maruksa, yan kapalaran ko. Irap suasag makan ko. Dinuksan si nakitan mo. Amay lamang tanyay liknaan ko. Panon ko natan kasi labay kulay yun narawi. Tamarok sa kanlaki sa ipagbabawi. Nang sikaso pinali agaylay maungmon man kunwari. Say impak namudyak ng saman. Panangarom ya anggad punpunan. Balit sakay kanto uyam malamang. Maruksani tan makasalanan. Panon ko natan kasi labay kulay yung narawi. Tamaruksakan laki sa ipagbabawi. Nang sikaso pilig agaylay maungmon man kunwari. Say impak namudyak ng saman. Panangarom ya anggad punpunan. Balit sakay kanto uyam malamang. Maruksani tan makasalanan. Panon ko natan kasi pagbabawi ng sikaso pinili agaylay maong mon man kunwari masamsamit Marcelo. Sarap sabayan kantahin, madam. Napapakanta. Love you, madam idol. Grabe talaga, boses mo. Thank you. Eto pa. Ay, sarap pa in love, no? Salamat sa lahat ng mga tumangkilit sa aking mga awitin. Pangga, please, subscribe nyo po ako, YouTube channel ko. Please, supportan nyo po ako. Analyn, Servinias, Bautista, pakishare po sa mga friends ninyo para may spread po natin ang good vibes, sabi ni Ate Roma. Agaw-agaw ya sika at sang kanunot ko lapulan ng sikay akabat ko ang gano ang tuso impangibalang ko sikay walag kugugit ko mairap so sitwasyon tawa lalay asawa ta agkulanay pawid susay naliliknak gimabayak yasikatay manungnungan yadwa ang kanan taklaso nagawa unlatad mag-sevensis namnaman tay panagaro iterkot sikay puso kamararwag kan laman ko unlatad mag-sevensis manlikat ta inaro namiyay liklaan ko panulog na puso anggan kapikan kasi yaso aruan ta panangiyamutan si kara panuntulan no labay kung nanang ka lapod iliw kot sika mairap so sitwasyon tawa lalay asawa ta agkulanay pawil susay naliliknak gimapayak yasikatay manungnungan yadwa ang ganang taklaso nagawa unlatad mag-sevensis namnaman tay panangaro iterkot sikay puso kamararwag kan laman ko unlatad mag-sevensis manlikat ta inaro liknam yay liknaan ko panulog na puso unlatad mag-sevensis manlikat ta inaro saan ko panulog na puso. Panulog na puso. Special request, that's wonderful sound. Magano la ba tatakyan? That's a wonderful sound. As I write this letter, my heart beating much too fast for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I'd hear the sound, that wonderful sound. I love you, my love. Why ever did we part? I need reassuring. Those thoughts have been soaring up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just want to hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? My love, why ever did we At pangga, ito na yung Malinak Laylabi, ang aking last song. Maraming salamat po pangga sa inyong lahat. Sana po'y nag-enjoy po kayo sa Sabado at Linggo na naman. Malinak Laylabi, oras lay maraan, mapalpal na'y dagang yakatakan, tu'y linaaw. Samit day kukip ko, binangonan kong tampon, lapot sa'y lingkas mo, sikan-sikay ang mamaywan. Malinak Laylabi, oras na'y maraan, mapalpal na'y dagam yakatakap tuy linaam, samit day kugip ko binangonan kong tampo, lapod sa'y linggas mo sikan-sikay ang mamayuan, lalo labilay no sikalay nanang napunas lanamin suerman yaak bibitan, tanunan nunutan kuray samit dayo galim ag tagkanalingwanan ang gad kauyos na bilay. Nanay, tatay, lolo, lola, sarag tuli unugkip, salamat niya balbalag, daing pandangalyo. Siyempre, pagka dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating programa, maraming salamat na naman po muli sa inyong walang sawang pagmamahal at suporta. Once again, I'm your Harana Queen na Analyn, Servinias, Bautista na muli ay nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang masantos at magayagang labi. See you all again next week. Abang-abang po kayo sa shout out ko sa mga announcement ko later on. Okay, thank you. I love you all.